Good morning, children. Today we'll study lesson number 14, When the Earth Shook. Children, this story is based on the real incident happened in Gujarat. Here is a girl named Jasma. She lived in the Kutch area of Gujarat. She was 11 years old when there was an earthquake. Okay, children, can you tell me what is an earthquake? Earthquake is a natural disaster that is caused due to the sudden shaking and trembling of earth. And what kind of damages can an earthquake cause? Let me tell you. Earthquake can cause destruction of building and the various household equipment could get destroyed. If there would be a very severe earthquake, even the people would get crushed under the fallen houses and die. It has been more than 6 years now since the earthquake, but in Jasma's sleep, she still feels the earth shaking and trembling. She tells, it was 26 January 2001. Okay, as we all know that we celebrate our Republic Day on 26 January. So everyone from the village, children and old people had gathered in the ground of the school to watch the parade on TV. Suddenly the ground was shaking. People were scared and started running here and there. No one knew what was happening and what to do. There was total panic. In a few minutes, their village was flat on the ground. At that time, everyone thought of two things: to save the people who were trapped and to treat the injured. The village hospital was also damaged. Many people were seriously injured. Jasma's leg also got fractured. 6 people of their village died, including her grandfather, Nanaji. The entire village was sad and disturbed. Children, imagine being without a house in the cold winter. Fear and the cold kept them awake in the nights. All the time they were worried that there may be another earthquake. For some days after that, people from the cities kept coming to see what had happened. They came with food, medicines, and clothes. Many people came forward to help them, like some scientists, architects, and engineers, some doctors and nurses, state ministers, and other political leaders, people from other cities and non-government organizations. These people help the villagers in many ways, such as people from cities and NGO provide them food, clothes, tents to make huts. Doctors and nurses provided them free first aid and treatment. The state minister and other political leaders provide compensatory money, etc. Scientists, they try to find out which areas have more chances of having an earthquake. Engineers and architects showed us some special designs for houses. These design houses would not get damaged much in an earthquake, but the villagers thought they would build their own houses with their help. Okay, children, people in Jasma's village rebuilt their houses with suggestions from the engineers. Will these houses be safer than before in case there is an earthquake again? Why? I think yes, this house would be comparatively safer than before in case there is an earthquake. This is because these are now prepared according to the suggestions and design explained by the engineers. Next, come practice what to do in an earthquake. Why do you think one should go under a table during an earthquake? During an earthquake, the house or the building can collapse and the bricks, etc. can fall on the people and injure them, even causing their death. Therefore, we should sit under a strong object like table and hold it firmly. Okay, children, in page number 138, here is a question. What type of difficulties are faced by people during floods? What do you think, children? Let me tell you, the following difficulties are faced by people during floods. Number 1, many people die and get injured. Number 2, their houses and other valuables get destroyed. Number 3, there is scarcity of drinking water. Number 4, waterborne diseases are spread. Number 5, schools, hospitals, and other important public places get destroyed. Now, this question is your homework. Write down what people had to do to make their life normal again after the flood. Children, remember, we should not mess with the natural calamity or disaster like tsunami, volcano, earthquake, floods. These are very dangerous. We cannot fight it physically. We human beings are very much responsible for the destruction of forest fires, and the growing imbalance in nature. So, we have completed our chapter 14, and I hope all of you have understood. I will meet you again in the next class. Till then, take care. Thank you.